Buying a new iPhone is always exciting. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or switching to Apple for the first time, you want to make sure your investment is worth it. But even when purchasing a brand new device, there are important things you should check before paying for it or unboxing it completely. In this video, we will go through the 10 most essential things to check before buying a new iPhone so that you can avoid mistakes, prevent future issues, and make sure the device you're buying is 100% genuine and perfect. The first thing you should always check is the model and storage variant. Every iPhone comes with different storage options such as 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB, depending on the model. Before you buy, confirm that you are purchasing the exact model and storage variant you need. Many people accidentally buy a lower storage model and regret it later when they run out of space. So always double check the label on the box and confirm that it matches your expectations. The second important thing is to verify that the iPhone is brand new and factory sealed. Apple uses a special tear strip on the box when buying from a shop or reseller. Make sure the seal is still intact. A broken seal may indicate the phone was opened, used, or returned. A new device should never be unboxed before the purchase unless you request it. Third, verify the IMEI and serial number printed on the box. These numbers must match the device inside once it is activated. Before buying, you can also enter the serial number on Apple's check coverage website to make sure it is genuine and not previously activated. A new iPhone should show this device is not activated on Apple's site. If it shows warranty details, the phone may have already been used. Fourth, check the color and physical condition before completing payment. Because the phone is new, it should have zero scratches, dents, or marks. Inspect the frame, back glass, and camera lens closely once the box is opened. Sometimes stored display units are sold as new, so always verify that the device looks untouched. The fifth thing you should check is the accessories inside the box. Apple no longer includes chargers with modern iPhones, but you should still receive the USB-C to USB-C cable along with the paperwork and CM ejector tool in some regions. Confirm that everything inside the box is neatly packed and sealed, just like Apple packages it. Sixth, after powering on the device, check whether the iPhone is unlocked. A new iPhone should ideally be factory unlocked unless you intentionally purchased a carrier-locked model. Insert your SIM card and confirm that the phone reads the network instantly. If it shows activation lock, SIM not supported, or similar messages, stop right there because something is wrong. The seventh important thing to check is the display quality. New iPhones have extremely high quality OLED or LCD displays depending on the model. After turning on the phone, check for screen uniformity, brightness levels, and any unusual yellowish or bluish tint. Also, test True Tone and Night Shift to ensure the display sensors are functioning properly. A new iPhone should never have dead pixels or uneven brightness. The eighth point is to test the basic features and sensors. Even a brand new device can sometimes have hardware issues, so before leaving the shop or confirming delivery, test Face ID or Touch ID setup, check the speakers, microphone, vibration motor, and flashlight, open the camera app and test all modes including portrait, video, wide angle, and zoom. Ensure that everything responds smoothly and quickly. Ninth, consider checking the battery health information after setup. Although the phone is new, sometimes imported units or store display units may have been used previously. Go to Settings, Chore Battery Health and Charging. A brand new iPhone must show 100% maximum capacity with no important battery message. If battery health is lower than 100%, the phone may not be fresh stock. Finally, the 10th thing to check is the warranty and invoice details. Make sure the seller provides a proper invoice because your Apple warranty starts from the day you activate the device. Check the price, model number, and IMEI on the invoice to ensure everything is correct. This will also help you later if you need a warranty claim or want to resell the device in the future. Now, buying a new iPhone may seem simple, but checking these 10 things will help you avoid mistakes and ensure you get the perfect device. From verifying the model storage, seal, IMEI, and display to testing sensors and confirming the warranty, these steps can save you from long-term problems. Always remember, a new iPhone is a long-term investment, so take your time and check everything carefully before completing the purchase.